What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're gonna open up and review the Hot Wheels Premium Carlture Slide Street Set. This set has 5 different cars, including the Nissan Silvia S14, 2020 Toyota GR Supra, Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truno, Pandem Subaru BRZ, and 2020 Mustang RTR Spec 5. And we'll start it off with our first one, the Nissan Silvia S14. And you can see the graphics included on here. It's got the FD for Formula Drift, very popular right now. Let's go ahead and pop this one open and get a nice close-up look at it. We do have a little bit of plastic here to protect it, and we'll pull out our Silvia S14. Look at the graphics on here. Kind of reminds me of like the Supreme look, the Supreme colors and all that, if you're familiar with that. Formula Drift on the back, you can see great detail for this car in the rear end for the lights and the stamping. Cool spoiler on there that's painted on the top. The FD right there on the top as well. We got the Hot Wheels logo and FD written on the front hood. And then look at the details for the front end as well. Just an excellent detailed car. Really like these graphics on here on the side. The FD looks so cool. We got the blacked out wheels and tire combination, and those are slicks on there for drifting. And car number 2 of 5, we have the 2020 Toyota GR Supra with the Grady look on it. And this one has been such a popular car as of late, and I'm a really big fan of the new Supras. Let's go ahead and have a look at this one right here. We got that little plastic piece right there. Put that aside and check out. I just really like the wheels on this one. I think they look fantastic. Crazy wide body on here. You can see the front end look of it. Great detail for this Supra. The big spoiler on the back end right there. And what does that say right there? It says Pandem on there. So it is a Pandem wide body kit on this Supra as well. Toyota written on the back right there. And just look at the wheel tire combination from here on the side, and the front end just looks excellent. And just look at that look on the back end as well. If we look on the bottom, we can see they are the Real Riders with the slicks as well. Just a great car. This is probably one of my favorites from this set. And car number 3 of 5, we have the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truno right here. A very popular kind of classic drift car. Let's go ahead and pop this one open and see. We've got 3 white cars. Our last 2 are not white, so that's going to be a little bit of a change, but there we go. We can see this one looks like a very lowered suspension. Look at this small wheel tire combination on there. This is what the original drift cars were. We got the cool white on the front end. We got the pop-up headlights as well. Really cool looking front end on there. Check that out. Got the little black paint right there. Nice gloss white color. And then on the back, we've got some color that kind of blends right into that white. And on the back end, you can see TRD on there. Great stamping for the temp work. A little bit of graphics and stuff written on there as well. Just an all-around well-designed car. And if you're into these old AE86s, this is definitely a great one to collect. Pandem Subaru BRZ, the wide body Pandem kit on this BRZ, car number 4 of 5. Let's go ahead and open this one up and see all the graphics that we have included on this one. And you can see this one is a Falcon tire graphics on there. I'm not really a huge fan of the wheels. I would have liked to see those painted a little bit darker color, but you can definitely see the look of them in that kind of like lighter gray color. Great looking detail. You can see that wide body kit on there. You can even see how the spoiler is just slightly off-centered. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or not, but definitely a neat look to it. And we can see in the back, it's all black. Great details for the stamping. This set is just so detailed. I really like the detail on this set. And then classic for the Falcon tires, you can see how it kind of blends into that darker color, and it's got those like line slits on the top roof right there. But just a well designed car. Pandem BRZ. I really like this car. I think this is the second release of this one in a premium set. We did get one previously before. And car number 5 of 5, the 2020 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5. Check out the color of those wheels on there. All right, let's go ahead. Not wasting time. Let's go ahead and open this one up and see what this one's all about. And how is this? Look at that. Wow, I really like this one. The design on this one is really cool. Looks like it's got a nice wide body kit on it. Look at the detail on the front end right there. Fun haver. All right, this definitely is a car to have fun in. Number 25, you can see on the top right there. And just look at the color right there on the back that blends into the black. That looks really neat. And that spoiler color right there. Look at the details on the back end of this one. And then just the wheels. I just really like the colored wheels on here. These are, I think, the same wheels as our BRZ had. You can see they are the same wheels, I believe, but I think the color of these ones just looks excellent on this Mustang. The Ford logo right there on the side, Type S, I'm not sure what that means, and then some sort of other sponsored graphics and stuff on there. But the RTR Mustang, wow, this one is great. And there we have all 5 cars included in this set. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have found this set yet and which car is your favorite. Don't forget to hit that like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.